you've been suffering from hair loss, stunted hair growth, balding, then you've come to the right place, bestie. Now in today's video, I am going to share a quick DIY treatment that will help you with hair loss. And before I go into that, I will want to give you guys like a background study or background knowledge of what causes hair loss and how to go about it, because it's always good to know the root of your problem before you actually start tackling the problem. Before I start, I would like to tell you that every woman's hair is a symbol of power. It is our crowning glory, and it makes a lot of difference to a person's appearance and style, which is why I take so much pride and joy in taking care of my hair, and I want you to do the same, which is why I am saying this in this video. Now let's go over to the hormones that cause hair loss. Now it is called DHT, which DHT can attach to receptors on the hair follicles, now causing the hair follicles to shrink to the extent that they cannot support the hair growth again, thereby disrupting the hair cycle and contributing seriously to hair loss. Now as the DHT levels increase, the effect becomes more severe. Like as the level of DHT increases, the more hair loss you have. So this can also come from other things that can affect hormone imbalance, like menopause, stress, thyroid issues, which is the reason why I said you have to know the root cause of your problem before you actually start using any treatment you see online. Now the best treatment to date of hair loss is minoxidil, which is always recommended by your physician. Okay, don't go and look for minoxidil and start taking without properly checking with your physician. Now the work of this minoxidil is to help stimulate blood flow to the hair, leading to hair growth. Depending on your level of stress, if you know you are doing a kind of work that is stressing you out really seriously, if you know you're a student, you're doing 9 to 5 and you're always stressed out, please find out the root cause of your problem. Now take it from someone that has grown her hair to waist length before. You can see what my hair looked like before, and I chopped it all off in July 2023, which was just like a few months ago. You can see me chopping my hair, like I really chopped my hair off really bad. And then my hair is currently 1 year old right now, but in this video, this was my hair at 11 months. This is my 11 months growth, and this is what my hair is looking like right now. Okay, so I think I am in a good position to actually give you guys advice on hair growth. Okay, and when it comes to research, you guys can trust me on that one because I am also a pharmacologist. Now the DIY we're going to do today is with black tea. We're going to use black tea and coffee beans. Now there are other DHT blocking herbs like green tea, saw pametto, stinging nettle leaf, but I decided to work with only two today, which is only black tea and coffee beans, because I can't get all of them at once. But if you see saw pametto or green tea, you can use them in place of this black tea and coffee beans. Now after pouring your herbs into your bottle, you're going to pour warm water to it. So just pour warm water to it, or pour cold water and leave it for 24 hours and strain it, and that is it. That is it, as simple as that. You don't need to do a lot. If you're actually using hot water to do this, you don't need to wait for 24 hours. Just dip it in the hot water and then just leave it for a few minutes, and then that is it. The reason why I left mine for 24 hours was because I used very warm water, so I just left it for 24 hours to like marinate and sip properly. Now this is what I had left, and I kept it to do the next one I'm going to use. So this is what my hair is looking like at 2 weeks. This is my cornrows at 2 weeks because I've been doing protective styles. I've been wearing a lot of wigs because I'm trying to grow up my hair again. So this is what my hair is looking like in 2 weeks, and this is what I've been doing. Okay, you can see that I have full edges even though I've been wearing frontals. So the only thing I do is to go ahead and spray this religiously, like spray this properly all through my hair, and then I let it dry down a little bit before I go in with my hair growth oil, which I am going to make a new updated video on the hair growth oil I am currently using. But I have herbs like saw pametto, green tea powder, saw pametto, onion, neem oil, fenugreek, clove, rosemary. I have a lot of Ayurvedic herbs in my oil, which I'm going to show you guys in the new video. So currently taking some health supplements for my skin basically, and for my body, and they all contribute to good health of the hair, to a healthy hair in one way or the other. So I'm just going to mention some of them that I'm currently taking. Now I'm taking vitamin E. I'm taking omega-3 to 6 to 9 capsule. I'm also taking ginseng capsule as well, because ginseng helps to promote blood circulation and stimulate hair regrowth. It promotes the cells. If you have any questions, please throw them in the comment section and I'll be available to reply every single one of them. So that's it basically for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.